So Dennis,
Costco.
Here's your shirt, the SmileAwhileInc shirt for riding with us. And let me give you your car that represents this car here. State Farm with Joe Demos is the sponsor of it. You can stick the sticker on there for it. And then Clearview Cancer also is the sponsor that we're helping purchase the car. And then there's the car. It looks just like it, just a little bit of different color, but it is the exact same car.
Great. It was enjoyable.
Did you have fun on your ride, Dennis?
Man, yeah.
Good, good.
Just hold on.
Just hold on.
Don't put your phone in the bucket.
Yeah, it took forever to find the phone.
That's all right. We called it and got it.
We got it.
Call. He fits.
I don't know if I can get out.
You want me to shut the door for you, or you want to shut it?
I'll shut it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and get that recorded.
Okay.
I was coming down Parkway and right over there, where you know, go the junction right there where you go up to airport or you know, east or west or whatever. They was cleaning up a big wreck right there.
Yeah, that's what he was saying to come through.
Forever.
Yeah. So you retired, huh?
Yeah, I retired. It's about my 6th year. I think it's going on my 7th year next fall, I guess.
Where'd you retire from?
Huntsville City Schools.
Was you a principal?
No, I was a teacher.
A teacher?
Just a teacher. What kind of cancer do you have, Brian?
Have CLL. Still got it.
Okay.
Yeah. What you got?
That's just a leukemia.
That's what I got.
Chronic lymphocytic.
That's exactly what I got.
Okay.
CLL. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's odd.
You taking Imbruvica?
I am. You taking it too?
2 or 3 this morning.
You took how many?
3. I'm on 3.
I take 1.
Is that right?
I didn't know you could even take more than 1.
How strong is yours?
420, I think it says.
Well, that's about what mine adds up to.
Oh, okay. Why don't they just give you the 1 pill?
Well, they say in case they want to reduce my dosage, then they can just take me off a pill or 2 pills.
Oh, well, I must have been a little worse than you. They feel like you gotta have all of it. But actually, I stayed on that pill for about a year and got to come off of it for about a year.
I did too. I just got back on mine. This is probably my 2nd bottle.
Okay.
Going back on it, maybe 3rd.
And then they wanted to go to a new one that come out, and that sucker gave me headaches. I couldn't even think about taking it. I mean, it was so bad I couldn't function. And then I said I can't handle that, so they put me back on Imbruvica again, and it's working good again.
Yeah.
So how'd they catch yours, or how'd your doctor find it?
My regular doctor, blood count. My blood count was way up, so.
What was your white blood count when they found it?
Probably 30s.
Oh, you never hit bad then, did you?
Yeah.
So are you normal now?
Yeah, I'm getting back. Like I say, I just been back on it for about 3 months. So, yeah, it's good to get back down close to normal again.
Okay, I'm in like 22,000 right now. I just went like 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. You're like the 2nd person that I've had in here that's had CLL with me.
Okay.
I got it in my 30s. You're supposed to be like 60 to get it.
Yeah, I mean, I've had it, I guess, probably 4 years when they finally diagnosed me with it.
You got a heated seat on. Are you okay with that or not?
I'm fine.
Okay.
What year model was it?
2017. He's just getting you some good video, so YouTube will look good for you. Note taken out to test and see what you had?
No,
never did, huh? That's weird.
Dr. Dang your doctor?
He sure was. Good doctor.
I've seen the other guy,
Me too. Just met him.
but I met with a nurse practitioner the last 2 times I've been. So
You seen Teresa?
yeah,
Yeah, she's great, ain't she?
yeah, I like her.
Me too.
I think I'll meet him next time.
Oh, you haven't seen him yet? I met him on the 3 days ago. I guess I met him I think it was Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
He's real nice.
Yeah.
He's a little different than Dr. Dang. He admits he's like, we got some different practices. Dr. Dang always done like a PET scan once a year. He's like, I don't need that PET scan. Cancer you got tells me everything about your blood. So
I just had a birthday Sunday.
you did?
Yeah.
My birthday.
Yeah.
67, I think it was.
68.
68. Holy moly, you look good for 68. I hope I'm in that good shape at 68. You watch any of the videos?
I haven't.
Shame on you.
I know it. I will though. There you go. Some cheese on there.
Yeah, it does, don't it?
Oh. My cousin had when we were a lot younger, he had a Chevelle SF 396, a Nova. Wasn't a Chevelle, it was a Nova with 396 in it. It wasn't like that though, but it'd pull you back.
He's wanting to race it, but he might be a cop.
Yeah, badge on.
He's retired, U.S. Army.
Oh. Citizen's arrest. So you don't drive it much?
No. It's too expensive to drive. I only buy cancer rides, and then I play with it for about 10 miles a week.
Yeah. Your uncle said he goes several places out a lot.
He does, yeah. He drives this a lot. A little different though. This is like a real special limited edition one. It's nice to be able to drive it all the time. Are you a really good golfer?
Sometimes I'll have a good round. You know, if I keep 75, 77, I'll take it anytime.
I bet you're a good golfer. That's nice. Your wife lets you go all the time.
Yeah, well, she don't mind me getting out of the house, I don't think.
Yeah.
Well, premium in this thing up here.
Yeah.
It's got expensive money.
Yeah, I mean it drinks. It's about 6 miles to the gallon, but then when you get on it, you're probably less than that. How tall are you?
I'm 6'3", 6'4".
You look tall.
Probably shorter. I was 6'4" one time, I'm sure, but I may have got strokes well. I got a nephew, he's 6'7" and a half. He weighs 300 pounds probably. He's a big guy.
I guess he is.
This thing doesn't like speed bumps, does it?
No, it's got a little front end lift right here. I'm fixing to lift it up, just so you can feel it lift up. And then it only gives you 1 more inch, but it helps.
That counts.
Yeah.
No way you could go through Gibson's parking lot, restaurant.
Have you ever been in a car like this?
Nah, just Corvette, I guess, is similar to it, I don't know. Be on the way, but close to it anyway.
Yeah.
Man, it's great.
And
Alright,
I'll get you out there. We'll get your stuff for you,
I
okay?
found my wallet.
I'll get it for you, okay? Oh, you got your wallet on there.
I'm trying to find the phone.
I'll get it for you when we get out. It'll be
Okay.
easier. So push the little black button down, pull the little silver lever up, and then lift the door with your elbow or your other hand, however you want to do it. There you go.
I mean, I don't know if that's going to help you any or not, but is it giving you any light in there at all?
Let's see. Let's call it.
Does it don't ring out loud?
It's in here.
It's in there.
But I don't see it.
I hear it.
I should should have been in my front pocket, I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna try to slide it. Here we go. Oh boy.
We know it's in there for a fact now.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Right.
I got it. And no marks.
At least it was sitting flat.
Thank you, Ryan.
Yeah. Woo.